Welcome back. Now news from sports. Goa Football Development Council will organize one-day sports medicine seminar on 9 December. Chairman of GFDC told Prudent that high-profile resource persons from all over the country will deliver lectures. All coaches and former footballers have been invited for the seminar, which will go a long way in setting up Goa's sports medicine clinic.
GFDC will organize a one-day sports medicine seminar on 9th December, which will see some of the top resource persons deliver lectures.
We are inviting all football coaches, managers, people in administration in football, football players, ex-players, as well as coaches from other disciplines and PE teachers. And there will be no registration fee, but people have to register by the 4th of December. We are getting, besides our own local doctors, we are getting Dr. Ashok Ahuja, who was the former head of department of NIS Patiala. Then we are having Dr. Sanjeev Sani, a top psychologist from Delhi, sports psychologist. We are also having nutritionist. So we are having a nutritionist from the Nutrition Institute of Hyderabad, Dr. Ramanna. Besides that, we are having our own very Goan roots, Mr. Waste Space. Of the local faculty, we will be having Dr. Deep Bhandari, who will be speaking on prevention of sports injuries and management of sports injuries.
Doctor, how far does this seminar go in forming up a team of medicos, which is what the CM also had made very clear when GFDC was being formed?
This is just a forerunner, along with the first aid courses, on-field resuscitation courses that we have already undertaken. These are forerunners to forming a sports medicine center. We are contemplating very seriously starting a sports medicine clinic soon. And as I told you, sports medicine doesn't mean only treating injuries. It will give advice on prevention of injuries. It will give full support for pre-conditioning and pre-tournament examination of the players, which is again very vital and hardly being done in our country.
With video journalist Devendra Gaonkar, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira for Prudent Media.
Newly formed Vasco Parents Chess Club organized a chess tournament for chess players in Murgaon Taluka. A total of 54 players participated across all age groups, with Sanjay Hobre emerging at the top of them all. VPCC enjoy backing of Sports Authority of Goa and aim to organize more such chess tournaments to boost the level of sport in Murgaon.
General Secretary of the VPCC, Pallavi Shirorkar, gave details of organizing the tournament.
Now the main idea was like for so many years we had the support of Goa Sports Authority, Goa Sport, that is SAG, but there was nothing much activity which was been going on. So we parents around 31 felt like we need to come together and form this association. We named it as Vasco Parents Chess Club, where we all came together and we said we will try to raise the funds and start certain activities and give a platform to the local Marmugua Taluka level children, so that they could take part in various activities of chess. Nowadays the chess tournaments have been held at state level, national level, even rating tournaments have been held. So nothing was much happening in Vasco. So we all parents came together and we thought of forming VPCC. We call it as a VPCC on 20th of October 2012. And I hope all the it's more than that. I feel like all the parents of and the chess lovers in Marmugua Taluka should come together and join themselves with VPCC to strengthen its body, so that we could organize more and better tournaments at not only state level but also at national level.
Pattagar Sudhakar came in third, followed by 8-year-old Sanjay Thorat, while Sanjil Hoble won the chess championship. Our reporter Surendra Madkekar from Vasco.
26/11/2008. It's 4 years now, the dark day of the country. Though Kasab is hanged, the masterminds behind the terror attack are still at large. Hundreds lost their lives in this terror-attack. Goa lost its son of soil, chef Boris Rego. Country lost the chief of Mumbai anti-terrorist squad, Hemant Karkare, and the list continues.
I spoke to him. I said, Baba, Baba, Baba. He said only 3 words. Dada, Dada, Dada. That's all. And nothing. After that, nothing is nothing. That must be his last breath. I feel. That's what I feel. Afterwards, I just. Then we came to know next day these things, that he is expired.
सरकारने जी ही शिक्षा दिली कोर्टाने आणि त्याला जी फाशी दिली ही शिक्षा जर का आधी झाली असती तर देशाचा खूप सारा पैसा वाचला असता आणि न्याय लवकर मिळाला असता. न्याय मिळायला थोडा डेफिनेटली उशीर झालेलाच आहे.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.